Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Cooker Japan. Have you ever heard of the name Nano Banana?
Nope. Is that a joke or a meme from April Fool?
Alright now, check it out. Add your picture, change the costume to a tiger costume. Add another picture, change the person in costume to this face. Yeah! Google has revealed that Nano Banana was a code name for its powerful new model, Gemini 2.5 Flash image.
I remember not being able to make these kind of adjustments in the older versions.
Yeah, exactly, Nato. This is a huge update. Today we are going to dive deep into what this new tool is, how you can use it, what it can do for your work or studies, and the important topic of security. Let's get started. So how can you get your hands on this technology? Google has made it accessible in two main ways. First, for everyday users. The best way is through the free Gemini mobile app. It's available on Android phones with version 9 or higher and at least 2 GB of RAM. Apple devices like iPhones and iPads running iOS 16 or higher. You have general access to Gemini 2.5 Flash image for free, with paid standard and business plans also available.
Is this quality for free?
Yes.
Thanks, Google.
Yeah. You can also access it through the Gemini API, Google AI Studio, which is great for quick prototyping too. So let's get into what makes Gemini 2.5 Flash images so special. We've all been there with AI image tools, right? You have a great image, but you want to change just one small thing. You try to edit it, and suddenly the entire image changes. The face is different, the background is warped, and you've lost what you liked in the first place. So you end up thinking, I just have to fix this myself in Adobe Photoshop or Canva, and the AI tool becomes more of a hassle than a help. Well, that entire frustrating process is what's about to change. With Gemini 2.5 Flash image, you can give specific instructions, and it only changes the part you told it to change. This is a huge leap forward, and it might mean that the era of needing separate software for these kinds of detailed edits is coming to an end.
Yes, this is huge.
Yes.
There are a lot of pictures that I give up to make adjustments because I do not have that skill. But now, with Gemini, I don't need to care about it anymore.
Yeah, fantastic, right? So how does it do it? It comes down to a few groundbreaking features. Gemini 2.5 Flash image solves this with perfect subject consistency, locking onto a person or pet and placing them in new scenes while ensuring their appearance remains identical. Imagine creating a full marketing campaign or a children's book with a consistent character, all without needing a single photo shoot.
This means you might not need to hire expensive design agencies anymore.
Yes.
In fact, you could flip the script and start your own company using Gemini to create unique items for clients.
Yeah, that's a great idea. So marketers and designers can create dozens of variations for a product ad in minutes. Show the same product on a beach, in a city, or in a forest, without expensive photo shoots, ensuring your branding stays consistent. For students and educators, this isn't just an art tool. Because it's a Gemini model, it has deep word knowledge. Students can draw a diagram of a planet cell, upload it, and ask the AI to label the parts, or explain the calculation based on their drawing. And of course, for everyday fun, if you want to create a fantasy-themed profile picture of yourself or your pet, you can take a little photo and say, give my cat a wizard hat and a magical stack, and get a high-quality, believable result instantly. With any powerful AI, questions about safety, misinformation, and intellectual property are critical.
Indeed, and that's a challenge we all face now. Sometimes I look at a picture in the news and I even am not entirely sure if it's real or if it was made by AI.
Yeah, so Google is totally caring about that too. Google has built a trust and safety framework directly into this model. Every image created or edited with Gemini 2.5 Flash image includes two types of watermarks to ensure transparency. The first is a visible watermark. This is a mark you can see on the image that clearly identifies it as AI generated. The second is Sense ID. This is Google's proprietary invisible digital watermark. It's embedded directly into the image pixel and is designed to be detectable, even after common edits like cropping, resizing, or compression. This dual watermarking approach provides a reliable way to detect the origin of an image and is crucial for stopping fake information. This builds a foundation of trust that is essential for the responsible AI. From the mysterious Nano Banana to a powerful, accessible tool, Gemini 2.5 Flash Image represents a major step forward in AI-powered creativity. Have you tried it yet? Let us know what you create in the comments below. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. さようなら